Hello everyone. If your form is not working and you are not receiving the emails, let's fix it. So to do that, first let's go to the WordPress dashboard and then go to plugins and click on add plugin. Now let's search the plugin called SMTP. Just search SMTP and you will see this WP Mail SMTP by WP Forms. Click on install, click on activate. I will just click on go back to dashboard and let's configure it manually. So now we can see this WP Mail SMTP plugin here, and on this plugin we can configure SMTP data. SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol. So let's do it. First, on tools you can have feature to send test message or test email. You can just add the email address you want to send the email, then click on send mail. Let's do it. I just add the email and click on send mail, and hopefully this should be send the email because my email function work correctly. Yes, it just sent like this, and if you didn't receive the email you can here see a error message. Anyway, let's go to settings and first add the setting, then try to send the email. Okay, now here I will scroll down and here I have to add the from email. So it says the email address that emails are sent from. So in my case it's info at hannah.customwebsitedesign.us, and tick this force from email checkbox. Then from name will be Hannah Clark, and also if we want we can force from name, which means this name will be main name or the name of the info at hannah.customwebsitedesign.us email address. Okay, I will just make it off and return path will be also off, and on mailer I will tick this other SMTP. So in other SMTP we have stuff to configure. So let's do it. To do it, I go to our cPanel and here is our email address, the from email address. So now I click on this connect devices button. In connect devices we can find out this mail client management setting. Okay, now let's come back one by one. First we have to set up SMTP host. So let's go here and we have to add this outgoing server as the SMTP host. So just copy it, come here and paste it like this, and encryption will be, let's see the encryption, it's SSL TLS. So let's make TLS, no, let's make SSL. Okay, then SMTP port, let's find out the SMTP port. It's 465. It's already added. Let's add that port, and here we have to add SMTP username and password. So the SMTP username is the email address of from email. Just put it, and here you have to add the password that you use to create this email account, and I already told you that password is really important because you need that password to access your email box. So I will just add it like this, then here I click on save setting. So if this SSL not working, just select the TLS and I use SSL. Okay, save the setting and let's go to tools and then send the sample email. So I change the default email SMTP setting. So let's send the email and see what will happen. Okay, it says success. So here we go, we have those messages, and let's go to our email box and here we have the email. So try this method and see it work or not. So if it not send in, here you will see a error message. You can use AI like ChatGPT to find out the issue, or you can just Google it and fix the issue. Okay, now you don't need to do anything. You just set up the SMTP, and according to your SMTP data this mailbox should work. So mine was already worked. However, let's test it again. So I will fill out those information. Now just click on send request and let's see what will happen. Okay, we got the message, and let's see here we got the thank you message like this, and also on here we got the new client inquiry from Hannah Clark website message. Okay.